Have you ever wondered why a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow? Let's break down the time value of money. The core idea is simple. Money available right now has the potential to earn interest or be invested to grow over time. Because you can put that dollar to work immediately, waiting for payment involves an opportunity cost. Inflation, investment opportunity, and risk are the three primary forces that change how we value money across different points in time. We use present value to see what future cash is worth now, and future value to calculate what today's money will become. If you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual return, the compound interest makes your money grow noticeably over 5 years. This classic proverb perfectly summarizes the concept. Certainty and immediate access are worth more than a promise of future gain. Understanding this concept helps you make better decisions about savings and debt. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning.